Hello, how's everybody doing? It's Keroy King here, and today I wanted to read to you a poem on page 174. It's called Windows to the Soul, and this reminds me of that saying that the eyes are windows to the soul. That's what inspired this poem, you know. When you look into someone's eyes, you can tell so much about them, you know. And as a culture, we need to learn to look into each other's eyes and express ourselves with boldness, because the eyes alone have a kindness to them. You can smile with your eyes. Remember when we were wearing masks? Wasn't it a shock to see how dull most people's eyes were? How non expressive? It was the most shocking thing I had ever seen. And yet, we have to learn to smile with our eyes, communicate with our eyes, because whatever you're feeling inside can be seen through your eyes. So it was a very sobering moment to see how dull most people are. If you only saw the eyes and didn't see any other part of the face. Well, here is the poem, Windows to the Soul. Some are round, some are oval, some are brown, blue, black, green, yellow, and all colors in between. As a lace to the window of the soul, we look at them all day. We see, yet we don't see. We see what we can't perceive. In moments of bliss, we catch a glimpse of the soul's expressions, all through the eyes. The eyes, a window to the soul, a world so vast we can't comprehend, a world of happiness, sadness, grief, joy, all hidden inside, a world of unfolding mysteries, telling tales of past, present, and future. Through the eyes, love is expressed, tenderness is held in regard, bliss is felt, the soul is home to stay. That is all through the eyes. This poem is called Windows to the Soul. I hope it blesses you, and I encourage you to smile with your eyes. As always, it's Keroy.